Hi everyone, this is Sophie and this is Jade, my best friend, and today I'm going to explain how to do the waterfall braid. So to start off, grab some hair and put it into 3 pieces. Now just start off by doing the normal braid. Grab some hair, then cross over. Now this piece, instead of grabbing hair, just let it go and you can get someone to hold it, or if you're doing it on yourself, just hold it in your teeth or let it go or something. So once you've dropped that piece, you grab another piece to make it the 3rd piece, and then just keep continuing. So grab a piece here, then this piece, instead of getting more, just hold on to it. Grab another 3rd piece, grab some here, this one, let it go. And you pretty much do the same thing for the whole entire time. Then once you get all the way to the end, just do a simple braid or plait, whatever you want to call it. Then just tie it off with a hair tie or rubber band. So there you go. So there's the waterfall braid, how you grab hair and then it just comes through. This isn't very tight or anything, it's just a simple one. So thanks for watching.